Welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat error, Snapchat not loading snaps on iPhone and as well as Android. So without wasting any time, as you can see, this is my Snapchat account, and if I try to download any snap from this account, it's not loading any snap. So how to fix that common error? So make sure you have connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data to check that. Open any website on your Safari browser. If your Safari browser working well, it's mean your internet connection is well. And now move to the next solution. The next solution is update your Snapchat account. To do that, open iPhone App Store or Android Play Store and search here Snapchat account up to date. If you have any pending Snapchat update, just update your Snapchat to the latest update and fix that issue. If that method not working, then move to the next one. The next one is log out your Snapchat account and then delete your Snapchat and then reinstall and log in again. To do that, you can easily, okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is when you uninstall your app and reinstall, then restart your iPhone or Android phone and then try to log in again. Hope this method will 100% work for you. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat not loading snaps on iPhone and as well as Android. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.